Ian, come look at the backyard.
What is it?
What is that?
It's a rock.
You want me to hold that? Looking at it like it's a mirage. What is that?
There was present.
Is it still tacky? Nope.
There's a present.
Here it comes.
I really hope that's not the freaking.
Water seal all over the Bilko doors. Because it's all over the roof of this thing, too.
She did use a spray.
Come on. Go for it. Go for it.
Good. 1, 2, 3, go.
He's holding on. I don't know why he's.
I know.
I want the tiny one.
You want the tiny one?
I want the big slide.
What big slide?
No, the hiding slide.
The hiding slide. He wants the turbo slide.